Start by finding a quiet, comfortable place. You can lie down or sit back with your eyes closed. Let your body settle. Close your eyes. Let your hands rest by your sides or in your lap. Notice the surface beneath you, fully supporting your weight. There is nothing to do right now. Just breathe. Gently bring your attention to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Let each breath slow down just a little bit more. Feel your belly rise as you inhale and fall as you exhale. No need to control, just observe the rhythm. Let each exhale be a release. Now bring awareness to your body, one part at a time. Start with your feet. Feel them soften and relax. Move to your legs, thighs, hips. Let them sink and feel heavy. Relax your stomach, your chest. Notice your shoulders drop, releasing tension. Soften your jaw, your eyes, your forehead. With each breath, feel your body settling into stillness. Now imagine a warm, golden light just above your head. As you inhale, this light gently flows into your body. It fills you with calm, clear energy, just enough to feel awake and refreshed. Feel it spread down your neck, into your chest, your arms, your fingers, spine, legs, all the way to your toes. Let this light recharge you, like sunlight warming you from the inside. Stay in this restful stillness. No effort, no doing, just being. Let your thoughts drift like clouds. If they come, let them pass without judgment. With each breath, feel lighter, clearer. You're not trying to fall asleep. You're simply resting in awareness. Now, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take the deeper breath in and exhale slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes. Feel calm, clear, and recharged, like you just took a short, refreshing nap.